On today's show, we're going to take these ingredients right here, some vodka, some coffee, espresso, sugar, a little bit of vanilla bean down there. We're going to craft our own Coffee-Espresso Infused Vodka. Welcome to Gourmet Fishing. I'm your host, David Murray. Hey, why don't we go ahead and get started on our infused vodka right now. Let's take a look at our ingredients that we're going to use to create and craft our own Coffee-Espresso Infused Vodka. Well, we do have to start out with this guy right here, vodka. Make sure you use a good vodka. I'm using Wheatley's. That's just my preference. You can use Tito's or whatever vodka you like, but try to use a higher quality than the stuff that comes into big plastic containers. It's cheap that we use to make daiquiris out of. Anyway, okay, we got that behind us. Good vodka. We've got 4 cups of very strong coffee. Right here we've got about 1/3 of a cup of coffee beans, whole coffee beans. We got some espresso powder. We've got 2 cups of sugar, and right here we've got a vanilla bean. Now usually it takes quite a while to actually infuse your vodka and get all those flavors out of all these ingredients into that right there, but we're going to speed that up by using our sous vide equipment right here. I've got the temperature set for 142 degrees. So I tell you what, let's go ahead and get rolling. I'm going to grab myself a wooden spoon and let's see, hopefully it's all going to fit in here. What I want to do is melt my sugar in my warm coffee. So I'm going to put a little bit in there and we're just going to come in here and there we go. We're going to make sure that that sugar gets all nice and melted in there. So here we go. Just about right there. And I hope, let's see, is it, no, it's not too hot. I think we can be able to use this here in a quick second. But usually if that coffee's hot, you want to let it sit for about 10 minutes. But I tell you what, I think we've got everything we need right here. But we're just going to stir this until that sugar is all dissolved and incorporated into our coffee. All right, there we go. I think that's got it. I don't see anything down on the bottom, so I think we are good. I'll put you right here. Now let's come in here and grab our espresso powder, and I'm going to use, just about a full tablespoon of that. Drop that in there just like that. Now, cover this back up, and here we go. We're going to come in and incorporate that into our coffee mixture. Now it's probably going to try to lump up, but we'll take care of that right now. Just by giving it a good stir, just like that. I probably should have thought this thing through a little bit better and had a little better, larger vessel here that we could use to incorporate. But I tell you what, it's going to work out fine. I'm not too worried about it. But there we go. You know what? Not quite. We'll take care of that in a second. Yes, we will. Because we got ourselves a Ziploc bag right here we're going to use in a second. But first thing we need to do, well, first thing is we need to come in with our vanilla bean, just like so. And we're going to split our vanilla bean and scrape all the goodies out of it. So we're going to come in here just like this. Oh yeah. And then with our knife, we're going to take that vanilla beans. We're going to put that right into our coffee. Check it out. Oh, man. Fresh vanilla. Yes. Well, not fresh, but vanilla. Now I'm going to come in and I'm just going to cut that just like so. And we're going to put that in there. Okay, get off of there. I want all the vanilla flavor in there. Okay. Now we are ready to, man, look, I am losing all kind of good vanilla. Put our coffee into our bag. But you know what first I'm going to do? I'm going to add my vodka. I think that's what I'm going to do. So here we go. Into our bag. I know this is kind of weird, putting liquids in a bag. So anyway, here we go. Just like that. Oh man, listen to that. And I'm going to assume, I always hate to assume, but there we go. That'll be perfect. I think that's about 750 mils. So I'm going to add my coffee beans. Just like that. Now I'm going to come in with our coffee mixture and hopefully without making too much of a mess. There we go. Oh, we still got some of our espresso powder up there, so we'll take care of it. Just like that. Okay. Now now we can finish. Vanilla bean and all is going to go right in there just like that. And I don't even know what that is. I'm assuming that's some good flavor. I hope it is. So I'm going to come in and get that out of there. And now we're going to come and we're going to seal just like so. Instead of using the water immersion method, because we're not trying to get all the air out. It doesn't matter if we do or not, but I'm just going to come in just like so. And slowly do that. I think we almost got it. So make sure that everything is sealed up, just like so. Yes, it works. Like we do a commercial for them. That's it. That right there is going to turn into our coffee infused vodka. I'm sorry, our coffee espresso infused vodka. Now, set right here, 142 degrees. In the water bath it goes, just like so. Close the top. Guess what? 3 hours later, we're going to have ourselves some unbelievable infused vodka. Oh yeah. Oh man, check that out. Yes, sirree. It is that time. We've had about 3 hours elapsed since we put this in here. I'm going to turn that off. Oh man, by turning that off, isn't that amazing? It jumped up temperature. Who knows why that is? I don't know. So we're gonna get ourselves a, I think this is a gal. I don't know how, but anyway, it's a pitcher. I don't know how big it is. And we're going to strain our infused vodka through our strainer so we can get all the little bits and pieces that are in there. So here we go. Now, what kind of a mess are we gonna make here? I bet it's gonna be, hold on. I bet it's gonna be a nice one because I usually have that happen. So here we are. I'm going to go ahead and put this here just like that. All right. So, okay. Just like that. Man, we got all kind of stuff in here. So, I'm going to open the bag up carefully. Again, that's 142 degrees. And now we're going to come in, ouch, and just like that. Bingo, we have our coffee espresso infused vodka. Now, we're gonna, exactly, yep, it's a little hot. We're gonna let this thing sit here for a few minutes and cool itself down. A few minutes, probably 15, 20, 25 or 30 minutes, however long it needs to kind of sort of get close to room temperature, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our vodka bottle, we take the label off of it and reuse that bottle. So tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and do that while we wait for this to cool down. How about that? 1.7 liters of infused goodness is what we created today, or about 7 cups or 57 ounces, something like that. But I mean, check that out. It's perfect. Clean the label off. Off your bottles, reuse them. Heck yeah. Or, it is getting that time of the year. Christmas is right around the corner over there, it seems. What a better way to make some, I don't know if y'all give baskets away. We used to do that. We would make amaretto, and we'd make the Kahlua type stuff, and we'd have fresh shrimp and spices and all that stuff that we would give away to family members. But hey, this is a perfect opportunity. 3 hours, boom, man, you might have 3 or 4 gifts right here. I tell you what, let's take a look at it. Look how nice, dark, and rich that looks. Oh, I didn't think y'all really needed to see me fill these up with a funnel, so that's why you didn't see it. But man, check this out. Oh, just listen to that. Man, you know what? Again, wow, man, that smells awesome. But there you go. How about that? There it is, our coffee espresso infused vodka, perfect for, White Russians, what the heck, who knows? Come up with something else, let me know how it turns out. Hey, right down here, how about tropical elixir? It's got about 6, 7 rums in it. Unbelievable little concoction to make pina coladas and gourmet smashes. Hey, right here, make sure you click that subscribe button. And I tell you what, until next time, God bless, and we'll see you soon.